What are you doing, Squawks? Ah. Hi, Squawky.
Look what happens tomorrow afternoon. We'll have a bit of sunshine and we'll be very windy with winds gusting over 25 miles an hour. And you see the temperature only 57. Stay in the 50s for your Saturday, even with all that sunshine. Cools off through the overnight, then warms up slightly for Sunday afternoon with a lot of sunshine ending out the weekend as well.
Thanks, Bill. Former President Barack Obama has released his annual favorite movie list. On social media, the list with 3 films that
Hey, Phoenix. Hey, Minnie. What are you doing? Huh? Are you being a fluff? Huh? Are you a duck? Are you a duck? Quack, quack. Quack, quack. Basil bird. What are you doing?
Duck?
Oh, look at big wings. Look at big wings. Oh, Basil. Look at Basil. Where's your big wings? Huh?
Are you a ham?
Where's your big wings? Show me your big wings.
Are you a ham?
Put him up.
Show me your big wings. Big wings.
You are a ham.
Big
Yes,
wings.
you are. Look at that ham.
Get him up there. Alex. Oh, Alex.
Hi, Basil.
Alex. What a pretty boy you are. Oh, go, Alex. Go, Alex. Ooh. Hello. Hello. Squawky. Hi, baby.
Where's his
Hello.
wings? Let's see them wings. Where's them wings? Huh?
Hey, Winnie.
You silly guy.
Hi.
You're a silly guy. Aren't you? Ah.